In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid Mailchimp emails going to spam. If you're using Mailchimp to manage your email campaigns, ensuring your messages land in your subscribers' inboxes and not in their spam folders is absolutely crucial. Deliverability can make or break your email marketing efforts, so today, I'll walk you through some practical and effective steps to optimize your campaigns. These tips will help you connect with your audience more effectively and protect your sender reputation. Let's dive in, first things first. A clean email list is the foundation of good deliverability. When you're building your email list, it's important to focus on ethical and voluntary methods of collecting email addresses. Resist the temptation to purchase email lists as they often lead to lower engagement rates and higher spam complaints. When subscribers find themselves on your list without ever giving consent, they're far more likely to report your emails as spam, which can harm your reputation. Instead, focus on collecting emails from people who truly want to hear from you. Mailchimp makes this process easier with its double opt-in feature. This tool ensures that each subscriber actively confirms their subscription, showing genuine interest in your content. To enable the double opt-in feature, head over to your Mailchimp account, click on the Audience tab, and then select All Contacts. From there, navigate to Settings and look for Form Settings. Once you're there, you'll see the option for Email Opt-in Settings. Click Edit and select the Double Opt-in option. By doing this, you're making sure only the most engaged and interested subscribers are on your list, which helps reduce spam complaints. It's also important to clean your list regularly. This means removing inactive subscribers or invalid email addresses to maintain a strong sending reputation. To do this, go to the Audience section, select All Contacts, and create a new segment. Set the conditions to filter out subscribers whose email marketing status is either unsubscribed or cleaned. Once you've reviewed the list, use the checkboxes to select the contacts you want to remove. Then go to Actions and choose Remove Contacts. Confirm your action, and you're done. Regularly cleaning your list will ensure you're only sending emails to engaged and valid recipients. Now, let's talk about your subject line. This is the first thing your subscribers will see, so make sure it's engaging, accurate, and free of spammy trigger words. Avoid phrases like free money or act now, as these can raise red flags with spam filters. Beyond the subject line, focus on crafting high-quality, relevant content that resonates with your audience. When your emails provide real value, your subscribers are less likely to mark them as spam. Another essential step is authenticating your domain. This means setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to verify your domain. It's also a good idea to use a custom domain email address rather than one from free providers like Gmail or Yahoo. This adds a layer of professionalism and trustworthiness to your emails. Don't forget to consider your sending frequency. Bombarding your subscribers with too many emails can lead to fatigue, which increases the likelihood of unsubscribes and spam reports. Instead, find a balance that keeps your audience engaged without overwhelming them. Finally, always test your emails before hitting send. Mailchimp offers an inbox preview feature